Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to forward a translation on the DeepL application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the translate button down below, select the source and the target language at the top, then type in the text that you would like to translate. After getting the equivalent translation, tap on this share button that you can find at the bottom of the screen next to the bookmark icon. Here you are going to find all of the possible options, so you can forward it via airdrop. You can forward it via messages. So here you're going to find the translated text. All you have to do is searching for a contact. You can also forward it via social networking sites and Gmail. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.